Hi, sixth graders. Today it is Thursday and we are doing the daily language review. It says circle the correct abbreviation for ounce. The correct answer is OZ period, and it's not capitalized, it's OZ period. What reference source would you use to find the meaning of etiquette? You would use a dictionary. And then correcting these sentences, the first one you'd have to capitalize the P and put the C for Corinne's apostrophe S because it's her ice skates. And you would get rid of the word there, in that closet. You would not say in that there closet. And then at the end, it is a command, so then it would be a period. The next is number 4. It says, what time are we due at Miss Grisham's recital? Capital W on what? Do is the wrong type of do, so that's a homophone. It sounds the same, but it's a different spelling, so it's D-U-E. Miss, the M on miss needs to be capitalized. The G on Grissom needs to be capitalized, and then it's apostrophe S because it is a recital. I forgot to put a period, so I will add a period on that also. The 3 words that have 3 syllables. Vertical, that's 3 syllables. Equation, 3 syllables. Temperature, that's 4 syllables, so that would not be circled. And the last one, decorate, 3 syllables. All right, those are your answers for today's daily language review. Make sure you check it so you can see how you did. Thanks.